Hello, my name is Joachim Grutefeld. In this video I'll be showing the first part of CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python, the AI Project 0 Part A. The program uses breadth-first search in order to find the shortest amount of steps between the actors in Hollywood. In this project there was a requirement of showing steps from both the small and large datasets. I will start with the small one first. Here we can see the steps between the two actors, and then we'll go to this large one. It takes a moment to load. Alright, the search was done. This was my CS50's AI Project 0 Part A. Thanks for watching.